Okay, let's dive right into this with a question that really should make every affiliate marketer just a little bit uncomfortable. What if the platform that converts affiliate traffic at the absolute highest rate reaches over 520 million monthly active users and actually keeps your content earning commissions for literally years after you publish it, is the very one you've been completely ignoring? Most affiliate marketers are spending all their energy on Instagram, YouTube, and blogs while treating Pinterest as an afterthought. And honestly, that decision is costing them thousands of dollars in commissions every single month.
You have to notice the fundamental difference between these two users. Look, Pinterest is not a social media platform. It is a visual search engine. And there is a fundamental difference between the two that absolutely changes everything about how affiliate marketing works on it. Instagram and Facebook users, they're scrolling passively looking for entertainment. But Pinterest users are searching actively for products, solutions, and ideas they are ready or nearly ready to buy. That buying intent is exactly why Pinterest traffic converts at rates that most of their platforms literally cannot match. In this explainer, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a Pinterest affiliate marketing system using AI tools. Oh, and I've actually written a complete guide covering all of this, and a link to that full written guide is right down in the description below.
So, here's our blueprint for today. 1. Compounding traffic mechanism. 2. Essential account setup. 3. Pin creation strategy. 4. The AI tool stack. And 5. Bridge pages and protection. Let's get right to it.
Section 1. Compounding traffic mechanism, the permanent passive income asset.
So here's the thing about Pinterest that absolutely nobody talks about enough. When you publish a post on Instagram, it lives for what, 24 to 48 hours. And then it just disappears into the feed forever. But when you publish a well-optimized pin on Pinterest, it gets indexed in search results and continues appearing every single time someone searches for a related keyword. Not for days, we're talking for months, sometimes for years. This right here is the compounding traffic mechanism. A pin you publish today keeps earning you clicks and commissions 6 months from now, 12 months from now, sometimes even longer. Your pin archive literally becomes a permanent passive income asset that just grows in value the larger it gets. Every single pin you publish is an investment. It's not just a post.
And honestly, this data point is staggering. Research from Pinterest's own business data shows that its users have approximately 2 times higher purchase intent than users on other social platforms. 2 times! They're on Pinterest because they are planning to buy something. Your affiliate content showing up in their search results is the absolute closest thing to appearing in front of a customer at the exact moment they're ready to spend money.
Section 2. Essential account setup, 3 mandatory steps for visibility.
Listen closely, because if you skip any one of these 3 steps, your account is going to underperform from day 1. Step 1 is switching to a Pinterest business account. A personal account has 0 access to analytics, no rich pin capability, and absolutely no distribution advantages. Converting from personal to business is completely free and takes under 5 minutes. Step 2 is claiming your website. When Pinterest verifies that you own your website, it gives your pins a much higher distribution priority in search results. Rich pins then pull metadata from your blog posts automatically, making every single pin richer and way more clickable. Step 3 is your board strategy. Now, this is where most beginners make the massive mistake that limits their traffic. Your boards are your SEO architecture. A board called My Favorites tells Pinterest absolutely nothing, but a board called Budget Travel Tips for Southeast Asia Solo Travelers tells Pinterest exactly what keyword cluster to rank your content for. You absolutely must use your Pinterest search bar to validate every single board name before you create it. Just type your intended name and check whether it appears in the autocomplete suggestions. If real users are searching that exact phrase, your board name is correct.
And this brings us to a really vital structural guideline. You need to start with 10 to 15 focused, keyword-rich boards, rather than 50 generic ones. A focused set of well-maintained boards consistently drives far more traffic than a sprawling collection with minimal content in each. By the way, as a quick reminder, the complete board naming framework and profile optimization checklist are in the full written guide linked right down in the description.
All right, Section 3. Pin creation strategy. Multiplying visibility without multiplying work.
Here's a game changer. You absolutely do not need to write a brand new blog post to publish a fresh pin. A single affiliate blog post can generate 5 to 10 completely fresh pins just by using different images, different text overlays, and different title angles, each linking back to the exact same URL. Pinterest treats each new image as fresh, original content and rewards it with full distribution. Now, for your design, a vertical format at 1000 by 1500 pixels consistently outperforms horizontal. You need high contrast between your text and your background so it really pops. Your pin title must lead with your primary keyword in the first 3 to 4 words. Your description should follow this exact formula: problem plus solution plus keyword plus a clear call to action. And finally, posting 3 to 5 fresh pins per day consistently outperforms posting 20 pins in one day and then just going quiet for a week. Consistency matters way more than volume here.
To capture attention immediately, you've got to use the 5-word text overlay rule. Your text overlay must communicate the pin's core value in 5 words or fewer. Why? Because Pinterest users process pins while scrolling at speed, and you literally have less than a second to decide whether they are going to stop or keep going.
Moving right along to Section 4, the AI tool stack, solving the consistency bottleneck.
Let's be real, manually creating 90 to 150 pins a month is an overwhelming bottleneck. But here is exactly how AI solves each piece of that. AI writing tools completely solve the content creation bottleneck. You can generate 20 unique SEO-optimized pin titles and descriptions from a single blog post in minutes. AI image generation tools solve the visual creation bottleneck. You just generate the base image with an AI tool, add your branded text overlay and a free design tool, and boom, you have a professional quality vertical pin in minutes. Scheduling tools solve the consistency bottleneck. You basically batch create your pin content once a week, and the tool distributes your pins at optimal times. Finally, AI keyword research tools identify high-traffic, low-competition Pinterest search terms way faster and more accurately than manual search bar research, really pinpointing those crucial Pinterest-specific long-tail phrases.
The big secret to making this work is right here. You have to give the AI tool specific buyer intent context rather than generic instructions. The quality difference between a vague prompt and a specific buyer-focused prompt is dramatic. And hey, if you're wondering exactly what to type, the complete AI tool stack with specific buyer intent prompting guidance for each tool is in the full guide down in the description below.
Okay, Section 5, Bridge Pages and Protection, the most important conversion element.
Please hear me on this one. If you link your pins directly to affiliate pages, you are risking a severe mistake. Pinterest spam detection will flag you and get your account suspended. The mandatory traffic flow structure is a bridge landing page right between your pin and your affiliate offer. Step 1, your Pinterest pin drives the click. Step 2, your bridge landing page pre-sells the visitor in your own voice and captures their email address. Step 3, your affiliate offer page then actually closes the sale. And here is an absolute mandatory rule. Your landing page headline must match the pin's promise exactly. A message mismatch kills your conversions instantly because the visitor just feels misled. This specific structure does 3 huge things simultaneously. First, it protects your Pinterest account from spam policy violations. Second, it dramatically increases your conversion rate by pre-selling before they even see the offer. And third, it builds an email list from Pinterest traffic that gives you a second chance to convert every single visitor who is interested but maybe just not ready to buy on the very first visit.
Now, if everything I have described sounds like something you absolutely want to implement, but the whole setup process feels a bit overwhelming, there is a very practical shortcut. There are Pinterest setup specialists who will basically set up business accounts specifically optimized for affiliate marketing, including your profile configuration, board creation with proper keyword strategy, and your rich pin setup. Working with a specialist means your account is built correctly right from day one. Just as some honest advice from me to you, the link to a top-rated Pinterest affiliate setup specialist is right in the description below if you want to save yourself weeks of figuring it all out independently.
Okay, here is the one action I really want you to take after watching this explainer. Open Pinterest right now and check whether your account is set up as a business account. If it is not, please convert it today. That single step unlocks the analytics, the rich pins, and all the distribution advantages that every single other strategy in this explainer builds upon. Then make sure you claim your website. Then rename your boards with specific keyword phrases your audience actually searches for.
To help you out, the complete step-by-step guide covering literally everything we discussed today is in the description below. And again, if you want your account set up perfectly by a specialist from day one, that setup specialist link is also down in the description. If this explainer gave you a clearer picture of why Pinterest is the most underrated affiliate marketing platform out there, please hit the like button right now and subscribe so you never miss an explainer on affiliate marketing and passive income systems.
Finally, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below answering this question. Are you currently using Pinterest for affiliate marketing, or is this the first time you are seriously considering it? I promise I read every single comment and will personally reply. Don't leave your most profitable audience on the table. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next explainer.